The onset of cryptocurrencies marked a revolutionary era in the world of finance. The versatile range of cryptocurrencies offered a plethora of advantages to investors. The renowned cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, etc. had their own benefit bandwagon to promote. However, there still lurked a challenge of accessibility, transparency, and huge transaction fees. Let us have a quick glance at the current price and details of BCH and understand the Bitcoin Cash price prediction for the future. This was duly addressed by Bitcoin Cash's birth, symbolized by BCH in mid-2017 by a group of developers. They realized that the huge potential of Bitcoin could be further harnessed optimally through a hard fork, thereby increasing the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH has begun its life. The primary objective of Bitcoin Cash was to address the issues concerning rising transaction fees and controversies surrounding scalability in the blockchain. Keeping in perspective peer-to-peer transactions as the mainframe and security as the pivotal purposes, this BCH was poised to facilitate the increase in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, thereby achieving an exponentially high speed of transaction process. Bitcoin Cash price is based on cryptographic methods that rely on zero disclosure evidence and the mathematical consistency of the entire blockchain-enabled transaction, which is cross-checked without revealing any historical data or message on the other party involved in the transaction. Hence, security obstacles are arrested first. A salient characteristic of this protocol is that it ensures liquidity and ensures lightning-fast speed of more transactions on the network. Once BCH made its presence felt and prominent, Ziglu, a London-based digital bank, decided to fund British pound and many cryptocurrencies like BTC, LTC, and now BCH as well. Users of the digital bank can now make peer-to-peer payments over the network or other banks within the UK. A deep penetration into the facts and figures of Bitcoin Cash has an altogether different story to reveal. Despite having big future results, also potential and promises of carrying forward an 8 megabytes block size, the token has many reasons to work harder to match up to its size vis-à-vis its competitors. A major reason, therefore, is that both investors and miners side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is utilizing just about 2.1% of its block capacity. Apart from that, the technical rejig could also be required to bring back the price sheen. The developers needed a lot of revamping to show more agility, making radical changes to the project's fundamentals. This could help push the BCH price and market cap to new highs. However, the price history of Bitcoin Cash, looking back, has not been promising the moon. It has remained volatile and strongly linked with the overall market scenario. On December 20, 2017, shortly after creation, a single Bitcoin Cash had a value of more than $4,000 and the price increased. It looks surprising that the coin has started losing money rapidly and saw a price drop from that amazing level today drastically. Retail investor accounts lose money when trading spread bets and are complex instruments. In August 2017, mining and rival coins made this Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency bounce to a tremendous height. Average price increased with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many started seeing this as a competitor rather than an offspring or a hard fork of Bitcoin. Though a subsequent correction cut quotes by almost 30%, in November, the next phase of growth began. Against the background of the release of official software and listing on top exchanges, the coin started a price recovery, making towards a historic high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. However, from the beginning of this year, the Bitcoin price has been making sluggish but consistent growth. The development of innovations and protocols has a lot to thank for this token's price surge. Some technical glitches were responsible during the course of the mining and an altogether introduction of new software that went kaput. All this is said to be responsible for the downward spiral from the BCH initially in 2017 until it dropped to these years. Apart from the current dedicated series of developers and scientists, BCH has collaborated with many esteemed partners to develop the Bitcoin Community Initiative. These projects include Bitcoin Unlimited, Bitprim, Nchain, Bitcrust, Electrunks, Parity, and Bitcoin XT. Bitcoin Cash ABC got enlisted in the Gemini exchange, led by the Winklevoss brothers with NIBE's approval. Also, the number of transactions for Bitcoin Cash seemed to be growing exponentially. Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV did not manage to gain much popularity. However, both of these coins are still available every major cryptocurrency exchange. The Bitcoin Cash project team is on an aggressive spree to enhance its innovation and development activities. Breaking free from the traditional mode of operation, the team is actively considering some revolutionary infrastructural upgradation. There is also news that the behemoth will come up with its own hard forks, leading to many possible ways that help to hold Bitcoin to get free coins. No wonder this would do a lot of good to give a massive push to the price of Bitcoin Cash in the market. The Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and major price changes can happen within minutes due to factors like regulations, competition, the emergence of new tech, market sentiments and more. Though Bitcoin Cash had to make a tremendous effort to fork out of its origin and compete long and hard with its rival cryptocurrencies, it is not long that it would outperform during the year 2022. Most of the competitors of BCH, too, did not mesmerize the traders either. However, the consistency which Bitcoin Cash price forecast has tried to show is in itself a unique feature to debate. Its involvement in various adventurous projects has ensured that its price keeps up the momentum. Bitcoin Cash price today is trading around $385 with a circulating supply of 18,958,406.25 BCH. The market capitalization shows a solid $7,322,287,628. Even though the cryptocurrency has weathered some ruffled moves, it is sure to make a comeback, as surmised by experts. More importantly, the project is doing a lot on the innovation and development front, making it clear that Bitcoin Cash price will never go into oblivion. Bitcoin Cash can trade on Bitcoin's past successes and credibility in the other cryptocurrency world with the similarities and shared history between the two major currencies. There are speculations that the Bitcoin Cash price will hit the average price of $1,500 mark by the end of 2025, considering the roadmaps it has created. As aforesaid, Bitcoin Cash price being the offspring of BTC, it is set to follow the same footprints in price action too. If Bitcoin price is headed upwards, the BCH price too will benefit from that within days. Many experts advise that it is better to park your funds in BTC till you garner the maximum and then divert it to Bitcoin Cash price for short-term gains. With the market being completely unpredictable, forecasting the cryptocurrency price is really more of a gamble and luck rather than a data-driven guesstimate. The last year was a game changer, not just for BCH but for most of the currencies, including cryptocurrencies as well as fiat. World economies somersaulted drastically in light of the pandemic. The same was the case with Bitcoin Cash. BCH price prediction since then has started hovering towards optimism than pessimism. Traders and investors have started betting on Bitcoin Cash price for the long-term predictions movement, tracking it very closely. Hence, average price predictions for BCH remain quite encouraging. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2022. According to Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2022, overcoming the pandemic will help do a lot for the market sentiment of Bitcoin Cash. Poised for an upswing, Bitcoin Cash price, too, shall parallelly run with Bitcoin on the same bullish trend. Though this is a short-term prediction whether the Bitcoin Cash price forecast will break from the peak, what stays clear is that there's a light at the end of the tunnel for sure. In the first half, the Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2022 is said to reach the minimum price of $490 and $545 as maximum price in the second half. The BCH price swings will continue to indicate a positive trend and regain $550 mark as per our Bitcoin Cash price prediction from January 2022. Currently, Bitcoin Cash price equal to $372.08. The current price of Bitcoin Cash will turn into $640 in a year's time. Though it depends on the overall sentiment for cryptocurrencies over the next months. The Bitcoin Cash price forecast is updated on daily basis. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2023. Going by studying short-term and long-term BCH price trends, the coin's price has been digressing from its path normally every couple of years. In the first half of 2023, the Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2023 is said to reach the minimum price of $590 and $630 as maximum price in the second half. In the near future, likely, the end of 2022 or the beginning of the year 2023 may not be so great for escalation, especially with rivals catching up heat or markets playing games. According to Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2023, there is a predicted eventuality of Bitcoin Cash incurring a slight loss, but at the year end of 2023, BCH price will regain its lost momentum and crosses $640 mark. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2024. Stating that a jaw-dropping possibility does not exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is expected that Bitcoin Cash will rule the crypto market with a performance of price pegged around $730 in the 2024 year end. In the first half of 2024, the Bitcoin Cash price prediction is said to reach the minimum price of $680 and $720 as maximum price in the second half. Bitcoin Cash has full potential to sustain and consistently grow even in adverse conditions as per our BCH price predictions. There will be a drastic change in the Bitcoin Cash price forecast as compared to the current price. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2025. If the BCH price stands the test of time and mass adoption picks up number, it is, by all means, possible that Bitcoin Cash be worth at least 10 and 100x more than its hitherto all-time high based on our BCH price prediction. In the first half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash price prediction is said to reach the minimum price of $796 and $840 as maximum price in the second half. That would mean, according to Bitcoin Cash price prediction, it would cost $850 in 2025 by the year end. However, this kind of optimistic expectation stems from two preconditions: Bitcoin continues to surpass expectations and markets remain as favorable as always. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2026. Based on our own research and Bitcoin Cash price forecast, BCH price prediction for the year 2026 is $905 in the next 5 years, just like bearish cycle. BCH forecast helps in investing at the right time. In the first half of 2026, the Bitcoin Cash price prediction is said to reach the minimum price of $810 and $890 as maximum price in the second half. Undoubtedly, Bitcoin Cash has great potential and would tend to be one of the most attractive cryptocurrencies mainly because of high transaction security and speed, with high risk, scaling a peak of $2,000 for sure on a deeper technical analysis. What remains to be seen is how the mining gets the attention of governments worldwide and whether they too recognize the inherent value of this crypto wallet asset at par with other valuable assets. No wonder the ever-active team of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers are developing and maintaining the cryptocurrency. Hence, it would not be an overstatement to name Bitcoin Cash's function as catalysts in implementing smart contracts and transfer funds. The most valuable factors that propel the price of Bitcoin Cash price are the speed and affordability that enable quicker improvements implementation. Predicting prices of the novel, highly volatile, and high-risk asset classes is a thankless task. The best answer is no one knows. It is always recommended that investors do their own due diligence and go through the Bitcoin Cash price prediction to make their own wise decision.